Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Floravelle, there lived a beautiful and kind-hearted princess named Barbie. Princess Barbie was loved by everyone in the kingdom for her generosity and bravery. She lived in a grand castle surrounded by lush gardens, sparkling fountains, and a vast forest known as the Enchanted Forest. The Enchanted Forest was a place of wonder and mystery, home to magical creatures like fairies, unicorns, and talking animals. The forest was protected by ancient magic, and it was said that anyone who entered with a pure heart would be welcomed by its inhabitants and granted their deepest wishes. Princess Barbie loved exploring the Enchanted Forest. Every day, she would wander through its winding paths, listening to the songs of birds and the rustling of leaves. She befriended the animals and learned about the secrets of the forest from the wise old trees. One sunny morning, as Princess Barbie was walking along her favorite path, she noticed something unusual. The usually vibrant and lively forest seemed quieter than usual. The birds were not singing, and the animals were nowhere to be seen. Concerned, Princess Barbie decided to investigate. As she ventured deeper into the forest, she came across a small clearing where she saw a group of fairies huddled together, looking worried. Among them was their Queen Flora, who had always been a dear friend to Barbie. "Queen Flora, what has happened?" asked Princess Barbie, her voice filled with concern. Queen Flora looked up and sighed. "Princess Barbie, a great sadness has befallen our forest. The enchanted spring, the source of all magic in the forest, has dried up. Without its waters, the magic of the forest is fading, and our home is in danger." Princess Barbie's heart ached for her friends. "Is there anything I can do to help?" she asked. Queen Flora nodded. "There is a way to restore the enchanted spring, but it is a perilous journey. You must find the crystal of eternal light, hidden deep within the caves of courage. Only the purest of hearts can retrieve it and bring it back to the spring." Without hesitation, Princess Barbie declared, "I will go and find the crystal of eternal light. I cannot let our forest wither away." Queen Flora and the other fairies smiled, their spirits lifted by Barbie's determination. They gave her a map that would guide her to the caves of courage and wished her luck on her journey. With the map in hand, Princess Barbie set off on her quest. She traveled through dense forests, crossed rushing rivers, and climbed steep mountains. Along the way, she encountered various challenges, but her courage and kindness always saw her through. One day, as she was walking through a dark and eerie part of the forest, she heard a soft cry for help. Following the sound, she found a young deer trapped in a hunter's snare. The deer looked at her with pleading eyes. "Don't worry, little one. I'll free you," said Princess Barbie gently. Using her knife, she carefully cut the ropes and set the deer free. The deer nuzzled her gratefully before bounding off into the forest. Little did Barbie know that this act of kindness would come back to help her later in her journey. After several days of travel, Princess Barbie finally reached the entrance to the Caves of Courage. The caves were dark and foreboding, and a chilling wind blew from within. Taking a deep breath, Barbie stepped inside. The caves were a maze of tunnels and passages, and it was easy to get lost. But Barbie's determination never wavered. She followed the map closely, her steps echoing in the silence. As she ventured deeper, she encountered various trials that tested her bravery and kindness. She faced dark shadows that whispered fears in her ears, but she pushed through with a heart full of light. She came across a raging underground river that blocked her path, but with her determination and a little help from the friendly river spirits, she found a way across. Finally, after what seemed like an eternity, she reached the heart of the cave. There, on a pedestal of crystal, lay the crystal of eternal light. It glowed with a pure, radiant light that filled the chamber with warmth and hope. Princess Barbie approached the crystal and gently took it in her hands. The moment she did, she felt a surge of magic flow through her, and the cave seemed to come alive with light and color. With the crystal in her possession, Barbie made her way back through the caves and began the journey home. Along the way, she encountered the young deer she had saved earlier. The deer led her through a shortcut, allowing her to return to the Enchanted Forest much faster. When she arrived, she found the forest in a state of despair. The trees were wilting, and the